Hey everyone, so in this video I will explain you that how you can add a checkbox in Google Sheets easily. So whether you are a teacher, student or business professional, so this simple trick will help you streamline your workflow and increase productivity. So the process is very easy. Let me show you. For example, if I type here choose course or courses, and here I will type, for example, web development and graphic designing, video editing, digital media marketing and AI tools. So I want to insert checkbox along with these all courses. So how we can do, just go to insert and checkbox. Simple. Insert and checkbox. Same here, insert checkbox, insert checkbox, insert checkbox. See how easily you can add, so users can tick these courses what they want. So this is easy method you can use. So thank you so much for watching the video. Please subscribe to my channel, share the video with friends, and also press the bell icon so you will get the notifications of my upcoming videos. Thank you so much once again.